How do you deal with spam comments on social media posts? So this is something we've seen a massive rise in recently, particularly with AI tools leaving kind of spam, unwanted comments on a lot of content. You can actually use the settings within your platform. So most platforms have comment controls in your settings. This is looking at Instagram. You can hide unwanted comments. So you could hide some, none, or more. And then also you can use the feature called hidden words, where you actually make sure that certain words are filtered out. So things like send us a DM or take a pic or follow us now, want followers. There's some examples there on screen. Those are kind of spammy comments that you do tend to receive, and you can have those hidden from your profile automatically. Also, don't forget you can report and block repeat offenders. So just to help clearing, spam off of the platforms, then it is good to play your part by reporting any accounts which are kind of leaving spam comments on your feed as well. So we make sure that we always do that.